When you're going to receive your wall-mounted light, this is pretty much the stuff you're going to get in the box along with a LED light bulb. So the first thing to do for installation, you're going to use a star screwdriver to unscrew here the top layer from the bottom plate. Then you're gonna obviously remove this top layer. All right, this part will be fixed to the wall of your sauna, and obviously you're gonna put the light bulb right there. One thing you can do is fix this back plate to the sauna wall using these two holes, or you can also use these holes as I'm gonna show you right after. So you screw the light bulb, you're gonna wire it here from this hole on the back. There's a little rubber thing here. So there you go. So let's say it's fixed. Then you're gonna take those two pieces, so the protective top layer and the light shade, which will give you a really soothing lighting. So you're gonna take those two pieces together. You're gonna kind of align the holes here and here, and you're gonna just place it on top so that the three holes are aligned. And here I'm using 3-inch long screws. Well, the screws need to be long enough to cover all of this as well as your surface, the back wall of the sauna in most instances. I'm just going to take really long screws now to showcase how it's done, but essentially you're just going to insert those into the hole like so. You're going to use a screwdriver or an impact driver, but be careful if you use the impact driver, because that could break the pieces. So you're going to use your screwdriver to start with, just to get that screw inside, and you're going to make sure it's aligned, at least so you join all those three elements together as one unit. I'm going to do the same for the top layer. All right, now you got all of those three pieces together, and you're going to put it against the wall. So here there's a curve, but that's basically how it's going to go. You're going to keep screwing in the wall. Obviously the screwdriver at one point will kind of not be strong enough, so I really suggest you use an impact driver like this one. At one point you might also use a tool like this. It's an offset bit. It's about $30. You can buy it at any hardware store. You might need it, but it's not mandatory. So there you have it, folks. Our beautiful wall-mounted light, which will provide you with soothing lights for a lifelong of sizzling sauna sessions.